Some watches are just made to dive. Other watches are built to withstand anything you can throw at them. And this new Certina DS Super PH2000M is built to withstand the harshest conditions imaginable. Certina has a long history of testing their watches in real-world conditions, whether they are trekking over the Himalayas or spending months underwater in a saturation dive. So they are very used to placing their watches in the harshest conditions imaginable. And that's why when they say they've upgraded their toughest timer, you know it's going to be worth a look.
For this new update, Certina is bringing every trick it has up its sleeve to ensure this beast of a watch won't let you down. There is the latest version of their double security protection system, a water resistance rating that means it can survive up to 2,000 meters underwater, and a bezel locking system that adds that extra layer of protection you didn't even know you needed. And if that wasn't enough protection, there is also a limited edition that will raise funds for the Sea Turtle Conservancy, ensuring those endangered turtles remain protected. To make a watch capable of withstanding roughly 3,000 pounds per square inch of pressure, you need a tough, unapologetic case. Made of grade 2 titanium, this case measures 43 millimeters across and 16 millimeters thick. It is unavoidably large. But if you need a watch that can stand up to anything you care to throw at it, it does have to be big. Some of this height is due to the extra security provided by the push-to-turn bezel locking system that Certina has been using for decades on its deepest divers. This system means the bezel isn't going anywhere until you fully depress it, allowing it to rotate in just an anti-clockwise direction. That unidirectional turning is another safety feature we are used to seeing on standard dive watches, of course. The case itself is sharply angled and covered in vertical brushing to enhance the tool watch aesthetic. Of course, with any watch that is capable of going this deep, you have a helium escape valve, which is built into the side of the case. Turn the watch over and you have a solid case back that is essential to keeping this piece watertight. Inside the case, you have Certina's double security system that has been developed and evolved since the 60s and now takes every precaution possible to make sure the movement inside can stand up to 10,000 Gs. To achieve this, the movement has now been screwed into the case with a thin, ring-shaped nut. A thin metal plate sits between the dial and the movement to help encase that movement even more. And the thick crystal has been redesigned and reinforced to better disperse shockwaves should your watch ever get knocked. There are 4 dial options available for this new release, and all of them have been designed with legibility in mind. If you're going to make a watch that can cope with the toughest conditions, you may as well make it readable in those conditions as well. All 4 feature applied markers with buckets of lume spread all over them, plus the oversized arrow and sword hands. You also get a crosshair and dial text printed on there. We are getting 3 dials in standard production, and 1 that will be limited. The 3 standard ones are a bright yellow, a clear white, and a dark contrasting black that has been given orange lume across the markers and hands. The limited edition version has a turquoise to black gradient dial and is limited to just 1,959 pieces. Part of the proceeds of this piece will be donated to the longtime charity partner of Certina, the Sea Turtle Conservancy. The Swiss brand has been connected with this charity for a very long time now, and given that the brand's logo is a turtle shell, it makes sense that they help ensure the sea creatures don't go extinct. Running this watch is a movement that has proved itself time and time again. The Powermatic 80 is a workhorse for the Swatch Group, and one that has shown why so many of the group's brands use it. 80 hours of power reserve, Nivicron being used inside this movement makes perfect sense as well for its rugged concepts. The titanium-based alloy has been specifically designed to be more resistant to shocks and magnetic fields. This is a technology that was co-developed by the Swatch Group and Audemars Piguet back in 2018 and is being put to its ideal use right here. All 4 of these models come with a full titanium 5-link bracelet, with a second strap option as standard. All of the bracelets and most of the second strap options come with a deployant clasp that has an on-the-fly micro-adjust system built in and is activated using 2 easy push buttons on the side of the clasp. Although, if you are rushing, it can be easy to confuse this button with the button to release the clasp, so that can take some getting used to. You get this on the rubber and silicone options, while the fabric strap that comes with the white dial retains a traditional pin buckle. Of course, these straps and bracelets all have quick release spring bars, so switching between the teal silicone for the limited edition or the black rubber for the yellow and black dials is a breeze. These watches are not only built to be tough, they also look it. Unapologetic in their sizing and construction, they speak to Certina's modus operandi of creating tools that are built to withstand anything life could throw at them. And they stand in a long line of Certina watches that have fulfilled this mission, going all the way back to 1969, when 4 aquanauts were sent to live at the bottom of the sea for 60 days as part of the tech-tight experiments with Certina dive watches to help keep track of the time.
There is a lineage here at Certina that this collection speaks to, of the evolution of this brand's technology and their willingness to go further. And it's collections like this that are propelling the brand back into the consciousness of watch collectors around the world and shining a light on the brand's previous successes. Now, if I had to pick one out of the entire collection to take home today, it would definitely be that limited edition. Not only is it helping protect some very cute sea turtles, but also I really like that fume teal dial. There is something about it that speaks to the concept of this watch, and it seems to show light fading as you dive deeper into the ocean. Plus, that pop of orange on the minute hand really speaks to me. But I want to know from you guys, which one would you pick? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Time+Tide YouTube channel to never miss another video just like this one.